Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my face and this double strike pistol and the brain saw again. Okay, let's get started. So, this is the double strike pistol. It's like the hammer shot a little bit. Goes like that. Holds 2 bullets. It's Nerf, zombie strike. I do have some darts today. 2 Doomlands darts. So, put these 2 darts in. Okay. We're going to test these out. You may see this. Did you see? Yeah, okay. I was about to say, did y'all see that? There it is. So, that's the double strike. Next, we're moving on to one of the guns I've been showing a lot in my videos. The brain saw. Got 2 darts for it. Elite and Doomlands. It's got a handle on it for the chainsaw. Then you can see the chainsaw. I might have showed this in a lot of my videos, but this time I'm going to show me shooting. And I would like to call out Christian Gammon and Braden Mallory for watching all my videos. And I'd like to thank them in this video. So, this is their favorite video. So, I'm going to show the brain saw again. So, Christian Gammon and Braden Mallory. Oh, I'm not saying it right. Last name. I'm going to make y'all happy. Okay, pull that back. And there goes the saw. My friend Christian Gammon, the one I mentioned, he said in the video, he saw my video, he said he wanted to see a brain saw and pull the trigger. And the chainsaw. Well, he did, and I'm glad he got to, because this gun is really good, and I think he should get it. And Braden Mallory, he's been there since through all my videos, and I want to thank him for that. Okay, guys, that's going to be the end of my video. Bye. And if you ever see Christian Gammon or Braden Mallory, oh, I can't say it right, give them a thanks. Bye.